Welcome to the David Seligman Opera School at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. The Opera School is a centre of excellence, offering one of the UK's leading advanced opera training programmes. It attracts and develops the very best talent from around the world through every aspect of opera, including music, vocal performance, design, and directing. The school thrives on close, creative working relationships with prestigious figures in the opera world and our industry partners, Welsh National Opera. Training is delivered by specialist teachers, performers, and industry practitioners from the international world of opera.
Well, the opera school aim to prepare the students for the professional life, putting them in front to professional situation. That means working with a professional conductor and to play with a professional orchestra. The opportunity for the students to see at 1 meter of distance or in the same desk a professional person and to work with them is what makes this special.
I think the David Seligman Opera School is very special in many ways. The level of teaching, the concentration on each individual student. You have everything you need and then some. You have it more concentrated, more focused. You're going to get more out of the school in 2 years than you're going to get in many other places. We're working here in this wonderful environment with all the history and tradition there is here and the highest level training here.
The David Seligman School is very proud of their ethos, which places storytelling through music and drama at the heart of their training and nurtures young professionals to become leading artists of their generation.